This is the Accurate Rifle Systems Precision Rifle Chassis. This chassis features an integrated ARCA rail and a proprietary rapid transition platform designed for the efficient one-handed adjustment of barricade stops and bipods. This fully adjustable stock allows for customized cheek rest height and camp, length of pull, butt pad height and rotation, and features an integrated quick detach sling mount. Compatible with AR-15 style grips for user preference, and a magwell and adjustable mag release designed to accept American Rifle Company, Magpul, and AICS platform magazines. Like the buttstock, the chassis features 3 integrated, ambidextrous, quick detach sling mounts. Other accessories include a spigot-mounted Magpul Picatinny rail, an integrated and removable barricade stop, rapid transition sliding bipod mount, square face and rounded face barricade stops. An optional weight tank can be purchased for ELR and bench rest applications. Accurate Rifle Systems, the only system for every application.